try not to run over dogs. Look at this old guy. Oh, he's gonna go have a beach day, man. Look at him. That's a happy dog right there. I'm a happy dog too. It's about to be all time. Watch out, here comes another dog. Oh. It's on.
Yeah,
it's
getting out there?
Yeah, it's on. This is like as good as Aliso gets. It's sunny. It's beautiful. We're setting up the winch for these super gnarly bodyboarders. Tanner, Daniel, I believe is his name, and Craig Wetter. They're nuts. We're also gonna have some skimmers on it. It's gonna be good. We're out there.
Is it?
Yeah. Sorry.
Those sick ones.
Yeah.
Those good ones?
Yeah. There's some big boys.
Yeah.
And then the other thing that's gonna be a little hard is like the intervals are pretty tight on the sets right now. So as soon as like right after, try to, or if you think you can somehow like get pulled and hop the first one, yeah. This is way bigger than it was last night, huh?
I didn't even see much south in the water at all.
No. I was kind of like, I didn't think it was gonna show up. All right, you're kind of good to go.
All right. You've done this before? Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Couple times. Oh man, so cold. So cold. So cold.
How was it?
Good. It was epically delicious, but I did.
Stop. No,
I did exactly that.
I was there too. Did you see my wave?
I don't think I landed at one thing. It was so fun. I've never winched before. This is what happened on my first wave. But then I got on this guy. I fell a couple times, ate some sand, but I also got some air. So sick. I need to get one of those things.
Freak, that was kind of sick. I didn't get to participate today, but Koa joined us, which was epic. Sears got a couple of super sick ones, and it ended up being a pretty dang successful winch day. The waves are still so good, so we are continuing the search. It's wedge time. Fake wedge though, but it's gonna be super fun. Koa and Trav are joining us again. They're probably gonna boogie and surf. Weber's gonna come down, hopefully skim with us. I might try to hop on my skim again too. We'll see how it goes. Should be fun though.
Sure.
I'm gonna bring a board just in case. Nice. This one's carbon fiber, so hopefully it doesn't break.
Dang, that thing's pretty looking.
Oh,
So pretty.
damn. Look
Yeah,
at
the
that.
new technology is kind of crazy. Are all your skims carbon?
Yeah.
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 I'm already sore.
It was that wipeout.
Oh, just so many wipeouts, just like eating sand and. But that's what it's all about. That's why we do it, you know? It's better than surfing just a nice, safe wave. I like that more. More of just a shorebreak. Whoa, you can almost like catch that.
Jump off the rock into that and roll it.
Oh my gosh.
That was actually kind of a
Oh! What? Blair sends it. Leaves the lions behind. Charge! Oh god, yeah? Oh god.
Charge! Charge!
Yeah. Step one. It definitely seems like skimboarding getting way more mainstream, huh?
It's got some traction right now, for sure. I don't really know why, but yeah.
I think it's super fun to watch.
Yeah.
Really entertaining. People are like, what?
I think
You
there's
just do that?
It's cool too to watch it like pop up in different places around the world where the waves are actually like good for it. Like,
Yeah.
there's a couple of pockets in Brazil that are stupid good for it. Yeah. And then there's like stupid good skimboarders coming out of Brazil. So,
So cool.
yeah, yeah.
Are you like a celebrity in the skim world?
It's a small world, so everyone knows. one
Everyone
another.
knows.
But it's cool. There's been more people learning to do it than ever before. So
It's gonna be like so like fit too, I feel like.
yeah, sprinting
You're
in the
just
sand.
sprinting.
It's a little tough.
I was trying to do with a boogie board for a while and I was like almost getting injured every sprint. Oh my god.
Almost pulling a hammy.
Yeah, everyone.
Yeah, Amber. How did you look down there at all?
Yes, that's kind of fun.
Yeah, maybe it's better for surfing or something. Sweet.
Oh, you're so right.
And even here looks really
Yeah.
The wedge isn't doing as much of a wedge as I thought it'd be.
Little chicken. Oh!
The surf looks super fun though.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
You ready?
That's fun for surf, huh?
You ready to party?
Ready to party.
We're just on the struggle bus over here, trying to get into some ciders, and it's not going too good. But we got some boogie waves. We're doing it. Could have been more exciting, but it's okay. We had a good time. It's been a good day. We started out winching. Everyone got some pretty sick ones on the winch, and this is the icing on the cake right here. We're getting some little boogie wedges. I think we're about to wrap it up, call it a day. It's a good one. Stoked to have Koa and Travis join us. You should check out their channel. What's their channel called? No, I know it.
Should we ask?
Wait. Maybe it's the Smith Brothers?
You could get something really good over here.
Oh!
Look at this, the porpoise.
Oh, he comes away, bud! That's actually pretty good. How's that arch? That's like the boogie arch right there.
I'm just here doing my up dog on this little cement.
I was trying to get you guys a shot up there. You got your channel.
Smith Brothers Hawaii.
Okay.
Smith Brothers, actually it's just Smith Brothers.
Smith Brothers, okay. There you go.
What's your channel?
There you have it. Skid Kids.
Yeah. Skid kids.
Yep.
I want to be a skid kid one day.
We gotta get you on the skimboard here.
Oh, I want to. Too sore right now.
Yeah.